Uh, so I'm Tushar Vidagadara. This is my simple Android application developed in Flutter for tracking lending and borrowing. Uh, in this application, we can add new lending or borrowing like this. Uh, we can add money or other items in this category. If we lend some money, we can do the less. Same way we can add lending like this. And we can edit those uh, later. Like we can edit the amount and description here. And also we can mark it as return. Then it will show like this. Same thing happens here. Or we can simply delete uh, those records. In settings, we have logout. We can log in with our Google account or create an account. Uh, this application is complete work offline without any problem. Uh, can turn off the internet and still add some records. Uh, uh, Actually, Firebase is originally support of persistent data with offline with persistent data. I have enabled it here, so it can cache in the local. I have used NFC as a native hardware, uh, so we can uh, attach a tag to a device, uh, NFC tag to a device, and we can uh, touch with the device, and it will get the name from that. I have used the Flutter NFCreader plugin for that. I have used some reusable components. This is custom component. Uh, for example, in here, we use this component to edit the item details, uh, uh, record details. Uh, if it is cache, here we get the name or the amount. If it's the currency, it gets the amount, or if it is an item, we get that, and it's validate here. Uh, Amount or item name is mandatory. I have used the block architecture here. So the block architecture we use uh, data layer, block layer, and the UI layer separately. Here we have the block. Here we have the user interface. Uh, Here we have uh, the data layer. Data is stored in file store. In this way, that actions trigger in the UI uh, uh, call the data layer. Uh, let's try some offline functionality. Uh, I have already turned off the internet. Uh, Here we have three borrowing records. Uh, in the Firebase database, we have two. Let's set some other offline record. Let's close the application and open it again. And let's turn on the internet. Now it's the file store get the record here. Now let's uninstall the application. It's uninstalled. Let's install it again. Uh, then we can log in with Google here. Uh, Actually, there is a bug in the emulator that uh, it will show like this when the first time it opens. Let's open again. Here we can see all the records uh, wrote back from the previous installation. Uh, Regarding the Firebase credentials, uh, the this is where the Firebase credentials are installed. It's in the Android as uh, Google Services JSON. Actually, uh, this is the way how the Google plugin Firebase plugin expect to these credentials credentials to be, but uh, it's easy to extract these files from the APK, but uh, there's some tricks we can hide this, but the better solution is we can set in the Firebase settings that only a uh, signed version of this application can access to our credentials. So it will be a good, better solution.